Hey, NASDAQ, where you get the best dope on the markets. I am Alan Palmer, your human technical analyst, ex-floor trader. First that came for the floor traders. Anyway, we got metals. We're going to talk about metals here. This is silver here. We are on a rally here. We see we're up $2 here. Gold on fire, up 3% here, up 130 bucks. Okay, just about. Clear breakout in gold. Okay, clear breakout in gold. As a matter of fact, I had these drawn here. These were candlestick trend lines. How they played here. Let's go back and see here. Okay, here's one of them right here. Okay. You know, it can't play. And then here's the other one over here. High, blow out the stops. High here, right here. I had someone that had a stop up there. And then right here, you blow over it today at the 720 bar, come back down to 44.8960. Okay, right here. This is this other trend line, 44. This is like the top one. Okay, one was the bottom. This is the top, and then we took off. Okay, let's look at this on a daily here. Oh no, this is gold. Okay. This is gold. We got over this outside down day, okay, which is right over here. It looks like it's highlighted, 45.09. Okay, we just shot 50 bucks through here. Let's go look at the silver here. This is an intraday here, but let's look at a daily here. Little bit different, okay? And yesterday we did get, a sell-off. Now here we are coming right back here. Is this one of these sells? This is a 7 up here. This was a buy pattern, okay? Over here you got to get out, but if one was looking to sell against the previous couple days highs or this high, last week's high, okay? I'm just saying here, okay, because this can affect spreads. Let's go to crude oil here. This is live also, 85.50, 85.46, and 85.40, and 85.28. That means I got 3 levels within less than 20 cents. Okay, and then we'll throw this one in as 85.15. If it's early today, it's 11:40. Okay, we have what is the high here? 58 is the high. Okay, if we were to start to slip for one, if you're selling right here, okay, I got a client that is. And if you got back under 85.07, maybe you get some kind of lead if, in fact, you were looking to sell crude oil short. You can see here, crude kind of lower highs, okay? And here we got up to 91 here, okay? All those old months have expired. The ones where we got up to 110, 115, 105. I remember we had 105 number. Let's go to corn right here. Okay, here's bean oil here after the crude oil here. Bean oil was actually up 110. We're up 70 now here. Okay, here, let's just take a little quick peek at bean oil here. This is an intraday. This is a green cell. Then the green goes with the orange, which goes with the thin olive, thick olive. And here's something else. This is a bigger orange, and those go with olives up above here. Okay, that is bean oil here. This is meal. Thank goodness here. We did come down to one of these trend lines here at 311. Okay, as a matter of fact, you know what? That was on it. Anyway, we are playing around these powder blues here, and then all of a sudden we leave it, and this is current. Funds are long meal. Okay, they were long. That whole way down here. Here's corn here. Okay, 495.5. We just ran up to this high. Here you can see the last bar we reversed a little bit. Did not take out the previous bar's low in this particular time frame here. Here you can see we just started this new bar, 1142 on August 19th. We'll see what that is. That is a sell that I've been talking about here. I talked about it the last time we were up here. To get some sales on around $5 here. Now we got an olive here. We had an olive yesterday. Got it at the thin one here, okay? And you had something else here. Sold off for the rest of the day here, and then just gapped higher here. So we'll see. Here's a couple olives in the beans, 38.5 and 42.5. And I think we're going to call it a day. These are the S&Ps. These are this is just a trend line right here in the S&Ps. 29,644. I'm sorry, this is the Nasdaq. These are the S&Ps. And okay, I think we're going to call this a wrap. Oh, here, you know what? Let's just go one more here on a wheat. Okay, you could see this day yesterday. You see what we did yesterday here? Okay, we reversed down here. We went all the way back up and tagged this here. You know, anything can happen. We could continue to go up, but we could totally go back down here. And but I like wheat in general here. I like it on breaks. You know, the 630, 627 gap down there. Okay, here we are at 680. So if you need anything, oh, and I am going to do a bonds. Bonds were up sharply here today. And we were talking about picking a bottom in bonds, and I was off because you have to be, because we're turning the ship around. So, but in any event, bonds long rates went from 529 yesterday, maybe even this morning, down to 520 round up percent. That's really big in the 30 years. So you need anything, email me, arp@nasdog.com. Thanks for watching. Always use a risk stop to stop the risk.